Hey guys, welcome back to the Python series, and today we're gonna be creating our very first Python program. We're gonna be able to run it and we'll actually see how it works. Alright guys, so the first thing we'll do is we'll open up VS Code. VS Code was the code editor or IDE, the integrated development environment that we downloaded in the last episode. So I'm just gonna search for VS Code on my computer, and then I'm just gonna open it. Once VS Code is open, the first thing we'll do is create a new project folder. So I'm just gonna click on File, and then I'm gonna click on Open Folder, and then I'm just gonna go on my desktop, and then I'm gonna create a new project folder, which I'm gonna call Python Series. And then I'm gonna simply select that folder. Now guys, if you see a pop-up asking if you trust the authors of the files in this folder, just click on yes, I trust the authors. Now guys, the first time you open a project folder in VS Code, you'll see these welcome screens. We can simply just close them because they are not necessary. So let's create our new Python file. So we'll right click in this Explorer tab and we'll simply click on New File, and we'll just call our Python file up.py to indicate it is a Python file, and then we'll press enter on our keyboard, and now it will open up our up.py file. And now we can start writing our Python code. Now guys, let's start creating our very first Python program. It will be a Hello World program, which simply just prints Hello World onto the screen. So we'll start by typing print, and then open and close parentheses, and then quotation marks, and in between those quotation marks, Hello World. Then we'll click Ctrl S on our keyboard to ensure that we save our code. And now we'll simply run our Python program by clicking this Run button. And it will open up a terminal or console for us, and you'll see Hello World gets printed onto the screen. And that is our very first Python program, guys. Now guys, I want to show you another way that you can run or execute your Python program in VS Code. So I'm just gonna close this terminal by clicking the Kill Terminal button. So if you're on Windows, you can simply press Ctrl+Backtick to open up a terminal. On Mac, it will be Command+Backtick. And now guys, if you're on Windows, you can start typing Python and then the name of your Python file. In this case, it will be up.py. And now you'll see Hello World gets printed onto the screen. And if you guys are on Mac or Linux, you can type python3 up.py, and you'll simply get Hello World printed onto the screen as well. So let me break down this Python program for you guys. So here guys, we have print. In Python, this is known as a print statement, and it allows us to print out text onto the screen. Now guys, whatever goes in between parentheses will get printed out onto the screen. Whenever you want to print out text, you use quotation marks. In this case, we printed out Hello World onto the screen. So when you run the Python file, you saw Hello World. But we could also use single quotes, guys. If you notice, we're using double quotes. So we could change this to single quotes. And you'll notice we still get Hello World onto the screen. Now, we could also change whatever we're printing. In this case, we're printing Hello World. We could change it to, let's say, Hello Python. And we could actually run our Python program, and you'll see Hello Python gets printed onto the screen. We could also print out text on another line. So if we press enter on our keyboard and then we type print, let's say welcome to Python, and then we could click on run, and you'll see hello Python on one line and welcome to Python on one line. And that is just a basic Python program, guys. As we go further into this series, we'll start doing more cool and amazing stuff. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.